Hello and welcome to Graphic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed, and in today's tutorial we will learn to turn white shirt to light and dark colors using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Select the quick selection tool and select the shirt. Better the selection, better the output, so be careful. Add a solid color layer. Select a color. I'm choosing sea green shade. Add a curve layer. As you can see here, adjusting the curve affects the whole image. For this, we have to copy the layer mask. But instead of copying it to multiple layers, we just move these two layers to group and drag the mask to group. Select the color fill layer and set its blending mode to multiply. Double click the curve and select the hand here, and now just click on the areas of shirt and drag it up or down to adjust the shadows and highlights. Now it looks realistic, doesn't it? Change the colors. And as you can see, it is almost set for most of the colors. Now it's time for dark colors. Choose the black-gray tone of it. Add another curve layer. Drag the center point to upper left side to add a bit shine on shirt. Double-click the curve. Adjust the underlying layers. Alt and drag to break it to make the shine smooth and natural. Make a copy of this layer. Double click and adjust the underlying layer. Again set the color. Select the brush tool and do the necessary corrections. We're done with turning white shirt to light and dark colors using Adobe Photoshop. That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!